I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel.
Okay, we are going Christmas. Okay, we're going Christmas shopping. Are you ready?
Those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you, yeah.
We just finished our first round of Christmas shopping. I didn't film too much because it was so crowded. I haven't seen crowds like that even on Black Friday. So I'm gonna do like a little haul of the stuff that we got. A really cute like bead collection, like bead charm bracelet making set. And this is like, I don't know exactly what you call it, but you build different shapes and it has like LED lights and it's really cool. So I hope they like that. And I got my sister her Christmas gift. Kinda knows, but still, she's not getting it till the 25th. So just an X surprise. I got her the Book Thief, and technically I've been looking for this and I wanted to read it myself, so kind of a gift for me also.
Driving down the freeway at night, I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. Hey, gingerbread man, where's your Christmas spirit? I would like to see you dancing. Come on, take a first step. My love is gifted for you to help you through the river. I know you went through a lot, but why not take a second shot? Hey, gingerbread man, where's your Christmas spirit? Tell me, where's your Christmas spirit? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, the red-nosed reindeer was found.
You wanna pose with the reindeer? No.
Miracle this time, and you will not fall into the fox's mouth. So baby, run from everyone who's trying to take a bite of you. I better feel believe this Christmas Eve is gonna be too good to true.
You're always so close to the camera. You're like right there.
We look like Santa's helpers, wearing all the sweaters. Have a seat by the fire, eating candy canes while my heart is beating. Yeah, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, the red-nosed reindeer was found. Carry a miracle this time, and you will not fall into the fox's mouth. So baby, run from everyone who's trying to take a bite on you. I better feel believe this Christmas Eve is gonna be too good with you. And you'll be singing, hey, hey. I don't usually cry at all, but wow, is it always close, ranging from a movie scene to made up people in my dreams. The last time we found home, I don't know where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no,
Yes, girl, get it. Are you getting it?
I really miss the shade.
Whoa! No!
I'm pouring gasoline on the fire you started in me. No one can cancel me. I'm swaying along with the trees. The sun is falling and the water is starting to freeze. That's why I close my eyes when I'm crossing the street. I keep a stack of letters from all my closest friends, so I'm never in suspense. I'm pouring gasoline on the fire you started in me. No one can cancel me. I'm swaying along with the trees. The sun is falling and the water is starting to freeze. That's why I close my eyes when I'm crossing the street. Driving down the freeway at night, I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out this song.
We are on our way for Christmas service. And we look like traffic light. And Ammi is the last third of the traffic light with that. That's his jacket. Wow. Wow. Much wow. I never saw this one coming. I will not watch it. I thought it was something else. Wow! Oh my gosh! Shoes! Oh, sandals! I really needed a pair. Wow! I hope it's the perfect size. What could it possibly be? Can you take a moment of previous wrapping, please? Perfect wrapping. Thank you. The cream and the mask. Wow! Wow! Pajamas! Thank you. Green coffee. Well, I was wondering where you got yours from. And says like, that's what I thought was. That's what I thought. Thank you very much. Much appreciated.
The reasoning was when I said, in case I go, no need to be stressed, gotta take it home, 'cause there I really miss the shade.